Man is a seeker of perfection. He is not satisfied with the present. The world is a mirror. It reflects back to us what we are. The purpose of life is to discover one's true self. The greatest obstacle to progress is fear. The only way to overcome fear is to face it head on. The only way to achieve greatness is to work hard and never give up. The only way to find happiness is to be true to oneself. The only way to make a difference in the world is to take action. The only way to achieve peace is to understand each other. The only way to build a better future is to work together. The world is a place of beauty and wonder. The world is a place of pain and suffering. The world is a place of both beauty and pain. The world is a place of both wonder and suffering. The world is a place of both beauty and wonder, pain and suffering. Life is a journey, not a destination. Life is a mystery, not a problem to be solved. Life is a gift, not a right. Life is a challenge, not an obstacle. Life is an adventure, not a routine. Love is the most powerful force in the universe. Love is the answer to all of life's problems. Love is the key to happiness. Love is the only way to make the world a better place. Love is the only way to achieve peace. Hope is the light that guides us through the darkness. Hope is the strength that gives us the courage to keep going. Hope is the faith that keeps us believing in the future. Hope is the dream that makes life worth living. Hope is the only thing that can save us. Freedom is the birthright of every human being. Freedom is the foundation of all progress. Freedom is the key to happiness. Freedom is the only way to achieve peace. Freedom is the only way to build a better future. Justice is the foundation of all morality. Justice is the goal of all human striving. Justice is the only way to create a just society. Justice is the only way to achieve peace. Justice is the only way to build a better future. Equality is the right of every human being. Equality is the foundation of all democracy. Equality is the key to happiness. Equality is the only way to achieve peace. Peace is the goal of all human striving. Peace is the foundation of all prosperity. Peace is the key to happiness. Peace is the only way to achieve justice. Peace is the only way to build a better future.